Welcome to OnePunch Algo Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about if I were to start fresh with a small account, what are the steps and risk management I would take to grow a $500 cash account to $25,000. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm sharing my own thought process, risk management, and strategy structure for learning purposes, not telling anyone what to do. All right, so this strategy is a mathematical hypothesis, assuming I have a 75% win rate using golden lines. Those who aren't familiar with golden lines, it is a special support and resistance strategy that I came up with, and I calculate daily and draw these lines and publish them daily in my Discord channel. So welcome to check my Discord channel. Here's an example what happened this Friday, June 13, 2025. So these are the support and resistance lines. So we have a couple of ones, golden lines, there are 5, and then 2 silver and 2 bronze. So Friday's price action, the bronze are invalidated because of the volume increase. So I did mention when the volume is high, bronze aren't valid, but silver lines as well as the gold lines are valid for QQQ. So in this case, I see here a lot of action touching the second golden line. So for me to basically start doing this small account strategy, if I were to do that, I would wait for the second wave. So those who aren't familiar with these terms, go ahead and watch my previous videos for the couple of days before, and I have explained many times what these waves are. But again, simply to explain, wave 1 is from 9:30 to 11, wave 2 is 12 to 2, wave 3 is from 3 to 4. So in this strategy, I will only focus on wave 2 and wave 3 sometimes. What I'm gonna do is, according to the price action, if the wave 2 supports basically confirms using this torch as well as MACD that the price is about to drop down, I would take one day expiration puts in assuming the Friday actions. So in this case, if I were to take Monday expiration, which is this one, 531, because the price was around 530 something, I would take the 530 put. You can see, even though this price actually went from $250 to $6, that's pretty much more than 100%. So it's not always we can see those kind of drops. So I'm been trying to be realistic, so I'm not assuming that the price will drop like that. I will try to always target a 30% max win, but at take profit. So I'm on all of my trades for this small account, I will have a take profit of 30% or a stop loss of 30%. So those are the two take profit and stop loss that I would keep for this strategy. And then the next thing is this is what those are, right? And then the next thing is the win rate. What is the win rate for my strategy? Golden lines. It's kind of more than 70, more than 60% and 70% for sure. I would take 75%. I have seen in some months it's 100%, but have to be realistic. Let's say 75%. That means, what is 75%? That means if I take 4 trades, I will lose 1. That means 4 means, let's divide 100 by 4. That's 25 each, 25% each. So if I win three, that's 75%, right? And then lose one, that's 25% lost. And so assuming that, I will create a mathematical uh, hypothesis that my third trade I always lose. Right? So I don't have a specific day for that lost. I will always actually lose on the third trade. That's just an assume. It's not a real thing. It can change, right? But for the hypothesis, for this case, let's just assume that. All right. So my account will be a cash account. So that means every other day, business day, my cash will be settled. So if I trade Monday, I had to wait Tuesday, and then I can again trade on Wednesday, and then I had to wait Thursday, and then again I will trade on Friday. So that means I can only trade 3 times a week and maximum of 12 times a month. This is the first month. This is the second month. This is the third month. 2 days left of third month, right? And now the thing is, within this first month, I have lost 3 times. I have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, right? So that's 12 trades, 9 wins, 3 losses. That's 75%. So assuming I have $500 cash account, I started, uh, let's say Monday, I won 150. I put it back again for the next day and compound it. And then I will trade again Wednesday with that money, 650 in my account. I make 195 because the take profit is 30. And then compound again that 195 with the 650 I already had. Now I have 845. And then Friday I lost, and then my loss is the stop loss of 30%. So I lost 254. Again, my account balance dropped down to 592. So basically at the end of the week, I still have about $92. And again on Monday, doing the same thing. So 592, I have won on Monday and got 177. So that's calculated compound, and then again Wednesday I won, and now I have 1,000. Friday I have won. Now I have 1,300. Monday I lost 390, and then my account balance is 910. So if I go through all these things properly, I will have at the end of the month, I have made about 2,562 in profit, but losses are 1,243 because 25% loss. This is 75% wins, and the net is 1,390. So next month, I'm taking my sum and the um, yes, I'm taking that sum, which is about this much, 1,819 at the end of that month in my account balance. I started with $500 cash. Now at the end of the month, I have 1,819. Now the 30% win on Monday, that's about 546. Now sum it up, compound, and did the Wednesday as well, made 709. Now I have 3,000 and loss on Friday, lost 922. Now I have, these are assuming, okay, this is not actual trades. I'm just mathematically creating this hypothesis. If I were to do and follow this strategy on how to get a $500 to a $25,000 plus account within a couple of months, this would be my strategy. So strategy basically wait on wave 2 or wave 3. Let the market take a position on these golden lines, and if we can figure out what is the end of the day trend look like from the price action, we're going to take next day expiration, but we should sell. I would sell it in the same day. No, I'm not going to keep it overnight. That is the strategy. How to sell on the same day. Even though if I'm not up 30%, still I would sell at the end of the day. If I'm down maybe 20%, I would still sell at the end of the day. So those are the rules. So these are just rules that I would basically keep with me while I'm doing this. So next second month, at the end of the day, at the end of the month I have lost 3 times. Assuming I lost 3 times because of 25% loss. So the profit is 9,317 minus 4,521 in losses. The net is about 4,796. So I started with 500 now. Now in the second month I have 4,796. And on the third month, I can do two things. I can, when I reach my 10,000 account, I can, instead of putting the entire 10,000, I can start again with the like taking 5,000 out and just start again on this $5,000 remaining, and then do it again. When I get to 10,000 again, I take the 5,000 out, and now I have 10,000 because I took 5,000 again. So if I continue to do that, I will still keep on withdrawing 5,000 up. Yet I will also compound some money. But the only thing with that strategy is it's going to take more months to build the $25,000 account. But in this case, this hypothesis, I just compound every income and losses. All right, so you can see Wednesday I had 11,000, but the Friday loss is about 3,354 because I had 11,000. The loss is 30% from 11,000 is 3,354. Now I have 7,000. Next Monday and Wednesday, Friday again, I will be able to get the account to 17,000, and then Monday loss. That's 5,000 loss. That's a huge one. And now I have 12,000 here, and then again Wednesday, Friday, Monday earnings put my account into 26,441. So net the profit for that third month is not over, but I just stopped after I reached the $25,000 goal, which was the actual goal. Getting a $500 account to 25,000 slowly by following the strategy of golden lines, and by being disciplined and not greedy, and manage my risk, and trying to be super focused. Just no FOMO, no greedy, and super hyper focus, and being more disciplined. Because you can see first month is nothing, right? But even though the percentage wise from 500 to 1,300, it's more than 100% gain. And then when it comes to the second month, that is more than 800% gain. That means it's just accumulate, compound. Compound is really powerful. So if I were to give up on the first month because I see that the profit is, the dollar amount is not enough, then this strategy wouldn't make sense. So I had to be disciplined and mark every time if I did the win on the first trading day, second trading day, I would mark this. Okay, I did this one. Okay, I did this one. Like something like this. Okay, yeah, I did this one. Something like that, right? So discipline is a must to do this. You need to have a realistic time frame, risk of losses. There are risks of losses, right? If you don't have the stop loss that is set for 20 percent or something, you can sorry 30% or something, you can lose the entire amount, because if the market moved on the opposite direction of what you have taken, for an example, in this case we do have Wednesdays. Some Wednesdays and Tuesdays are the bond yield auction days, so things can move any side. And then we have the Fed Reserve token days every month, right? So some of these days can touch those very volatile days with the outside world influence. This strategy just taking a analytical technical analysis golden lines, which is the support and resistance lines. And therefore, this strategy can change. The numbers at the end of the month can change. But this would be my disciplined strategy, my disciplined approach if I were to start fresh with a $500 small account. So let me know what you guys think. Comment on my YouTube um, this video about your strategy, and would this be a way that someone would take? What are the pros and cons? If you guys need this tracker or template just to do your own calculations, like, oh, if I put 100, what would be? It will tell the $100 as well. If I put 1,000, sorry, 1,000. No, what would be uh, the case. So those kind of information can be used with this template. Just let me know on the comment on the YouTube video, not on my Discord, and I will share this with you. All right. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not in the Discord channel as well, let us know in the comment section. I can send you an invite. Thank you. See you guys later.